everyone. Good morning. How are you today? I hope you are doing well and ready to learn something interesting today. Okay, first let me introduce myself. My name is Arijunita and today I will guide you through our lesson. Before we start, let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed patterns in numbers? For example, is 2, 4, 6, 8, or maybe 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, these patterns are actually very important in mathematics. Okay, today we are going to learn about sequence and series. Let's start with the basic concept. Okay, definition of sequence. First, what is a sequence? A sequence is an ordered list of numbers arranged according to a certain pattern. Each number in the sequence is called a term. A sequence has unordered, such as the first terms, second terms, and third term, and so on. So, a sequence is not just a collection of numbers, but it must follow a clear pattern. Now, let's look at this example. It's a 2, 4, 6, 8. Can you see the pattern, guys? Yes, the pattern is adding 2 each time. And now, how about this? It's a 2, 7, 3, and 10. Is this a sequence? Is it not? It's not really, because it does not have a clear pattern. Now that we understand what a sequence is, let's look at its types. Okay, next. Okay, there are different types of sequence. In this lesson, we will focus on three main types. Three are arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, and Fibonacci sequence. Each type has a different pattern. Some sequence increase by adding the same number, some by multiplying, and some follow special rule. Let's start with the first type, is an arithmetic sequence. First, arithmetic sequence is a sequence where the difference between consecutive terms is constant. This constant difference is called a common difference. And the formula is a sub n equals a 1 plus n minus 1 times d. And for example, it's a 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. We can see that each number increased by 3. So the common difference is a 3. Now, can you tell me what comes after 15? Yes, it's a 18 because we add 3 again. And next is geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a sequence where the ratio between consecutive terms is constant. This means we multiply each term by the same number. And the formula is a sub n equals a1 times r to the power of n minus 1. And for example, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. Each number is multiplied by 2, so the common ratio is a 2. And what do you think comes after 32? Yeah, this is 64. Correct. And the last one is the Fibonacci sequence. And the Fibonacci sequence is a sequence where each term is the sum of the two previous terms. And for the example is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 13. Each number is formed by adding the two numbers before it. Now, can you find the next number? What's the next number, guys? Yes, it is 21. So, there are the three main types of sequence. Now, let's continue to the next topic, which is a series. Okay, a series is the result of adding all the terms in sequence. So remember guys, a sequence lists numbers, but a series adds those numbers together. For example, we say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals 10. And now let me ask you, is this a sequence of a series? Is a 2, is a 1, 2, 3, and 4? Yes, this is a sequence. How about this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and at all? Yeah, this is series. So, even though the numbers are the same, a sequence and a series are different. Okay, next, we will look at difference between them, okay? Okay, now let's understand the difference between a sequence and series. At first, they may look similar. Yeah, this is correct. And but actually they are different. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers arranged according to the patterns, and in sequence, we only list the number. A series, on the other hand, is the sum of the terms in sequence. So, in a series, we add the numbers together. So, remember this guys, a sequence focuses on the order of number, while a series focuses on the sum of numbers. And look at the table. We can also see the difference in this table. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers, while a series is the sum of numbers, the sum of terms. And so now we clearly understand the difference between a sequence and series. And finally, let's conclude what we have learned today. And finally, guys, we have reached the end of our lesson. And from what we have learned today, guys. Here, if a sequence is an ordered list of numbers that follow a certain pattern, each number in the sequence is called the terms. We also learned different types of sequence. It's the arithmetic sequence, which has a constant difference, geometric sequence, which has a constant ratio, and Fibonacci sequence, where each term is the sum of the two previous terms. In addition, we learned that a series is the sum of the terms in a sequence. By understanding sequence series, we can recognize patterns in numbers and solve mathematical problems more easily. Okay, now let me ask you, do you feel more confident about sequence and series? I hope you do, guys. And thank you for attention me. Keep practicing and stay curious. See you in the next lesson, guys. Goodbye.